In this question, we are given that we have two spheres of radius a and b and spherical shells of radius a and b, and in between them charged particles are filled such that we have density as a by r, rho is equal to a by r, and there is a point charge kept at the center, and we have to find the value of a so that the electric field in this region, in the region between the two spheres, becomes constant. So we have to find the a for which the electric field becomes constant between the two spheres. There is a point charge kept at the center and charge varies with this formula a by r between the two spheres. So let us see the solution of this. First of all, we should write the expression of electric field at any general point r in the region where we are asked. So this is about the region between the two spheres. Let us take a space, a position which is at a distance r. Now we can say that the density, the formula which is given here is r dependent, radius dependent, and at a particular r density is same. So this blue shell will be uniformly charged, and we can say that we can assume many shells inside it and each shell will be uniformly charged, and we have a concept that when we have a uniformly charged shell, that can be replaced by a point charge kept at the center. So whatever be the charge present in this region, whatever be the charge present in this region can be assumed to be concentrated at center. So electric field at required point will be equal to kq. Q is the charge kept at the center, Q which is initially kept, and kq, we can write this as k, q and q in by r square. This is the formula of electric field at the blue boundary due to the charges. One is the point charge and other is the charge contained by this region. Now I have to calculate the q in. For the calculation of q in, I have formula of density a by r. So I have to integrate this. So let me assume another radius x and taking thickness dx, taking radius x and thickness dx, the charge in this will be dq and will be equal to density at distance x will be a by x, and its surface area is 4 pi x square and thickness is dx. So charge per unit volume into volume, surface area 4 pi x square, thickness dx becomes volume, volume into charge density, it gives in this region charge. So it becomes dq as 4 pi a x dx. Now we will integrate it from x is equal to a to x is equal to r, 0 to q in. So our q in comes out to be 4 pi a r square minus a square by 2. So it becomes 2 pi a r square minus a square. Now I can substitute the value of q in this formula. So we have formula of electric field kq and kq by r square plus kq in. So q in is 2 pi a r square minus a square divided by r square. So the expression of electric field becomes kq by r square, and one of the r square get cancelled, so it becomes k 2 pi a and minus 2 pi k a square by r square. Now I can write this as kq minus 2 pi k a square by r square plus 2 pi ka. It is given that it should be constant. So this expression will be constant only when the term which multiplies with the r factor should be 0. If the multiplying factor becomes 0, then this term which is 1 upon r square get removed from the expression. For E equal to constant, this numerator should be 0. So kq should be equal to 2 pi ka a square. Kk get cancelled. So value of a becomes q upon 2 pi a square. So this is the required value of a. If a is having this value q divided by 2 pi a square, then the electric field in the region between the two spheres will be independent of distance, will be constant. Okay.